Here's a quick video about how to upload or insert your Logger Pro graphs into a Google Doc. So this requires that you've already created your graph. So here's my Logger Pro graph. What you're going to do on your keyboard is click Command, Shift, and the number 4. Notice this has changed to a crosshairs with some numbers. Then go all the way over and just start clicking on your data table. Now mine doesn't completely show here, but it's your data table, and I will shade it up in kind of a gray color, the things you're going to copy. So click and drag to highlight your data table and your graph. Let go of your touchpad, and it has now taken a screenshot. That screenshot will show up in your downloads. It also shows up on your desktop. So there's the screenshot. You can see it big. I'm going to minimize it again. Now let's go back to the Google Doc. So if I want to insert, and here's where I want your interval distance versus time graph located. So I've got it right there. Go up to Insert in the Google's Doc, Image, say Upload from Computer. Now it will show up with the screenshot that you last took at the top. So just click on that. You can double click it, and it inserts your graph right there. So then when you need to change it to a different graph, so let's go back to, whoops, that's a screenshot, get rid of that. Go back to our Logger Pro. Let's say this is the one we linearized, and we did a linear fit on it. Now I want to do this one. So Command Shift 4, bring that cursor over to the top left corner of your data set, scroll all the way across, click and let go. Then go back to your Google Doc. Right there, make sure you got it right below there. You don't need any numbers. Click Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. Now this one will be the top one because it's the last one you did. Click Open or double click, and boom, there it is. Now once you've got this done, remember you have to go back a step into your Schoology account and then submit the assignment.